Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. How are you all?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Okay, great.
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much. My dear students, yes,
Good
I
morning,
hope
ma'am.
all of you are ready with your literature textbook part 2. Yes? Yesterday we have started with a new lesson, that is lesson number 13.
The animal
The Animal Picnic. Yes, you're right. The title of the lesson is The Animal Picnic.
picnic.
Okay. And in that lesson, we have tried to understand that one fine day, all the animals of the jungle decide to go for a picnic. What did they decide to do? Harriet, unmute. What did the animals in the jungle decide to do one fine day?
Picnic.
Sentence. Yes.
They decide to do a picnic.
To go on a picnic, not do.
On the picnic.
Yes. The animals living in the jungle decided to go for a picnic. Okay. Then Arnav, thank you Harriet. Arnav, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What all did they take with them for the picnic? Okay, I will ask you one by one. What did the rabbits take for the picnic?
Juicy carrot.
Where is the sentence? What did the rabbits take for the picnic?
Juicy.
The rabbits took. The rabbits took. Repeat after me.
The rabbit.
Rabbits took.
Tick.
Took.
Took.
What did they take?
Juicy carrot.
For the.
Carrot.
For the
For the
picnic.
picnic.
Say the complete answer one more time. Come on. The rabbits
The rabbit.
took
Tick. Took.
juicy carrots
Juicy carrot.
for the picnic.
The picnic.
Say it yourself. Come on. You have to be attentive, Arna. Yes. Say the same sentence.
Tuck.
The rabbits
Rabbit. Tuck the rabbit. Juicy carrot. In
for the.
the picnic.
Yes, the rabbits took juicy carrots for the picnic. Okay, good. Thank you. Arshika, what did the squirrels take for the picnic? What did the squirrels take for the picnic?
Nut.
I am not going to instruct all of you to speak in complete sentences all the time. I will not do that. You need to understand that now. Listen to the question, Arshika. What did the squirrels take for the picnic?
Is squirrel.
Yes. The past tense of take is took.
Squirrel.
Took.
Nut.
The squirrels took.
Bring nut.
Bring nuts. Okay, fine, fine. Bring is also fine. The squirrels bring nuts. For what? For the
Picnic.
For the picnic. Yes, very good. Okay, Arshika. Now try to remember that you have to give me the answers in complete sentences only. Understood, Arshika? Try to remember that. Okay, thank you. Darshak, unmute. What did the fox take for the picnic? Sentence.
The
Hmm? Hmm? Fat grapes. F-A-T. Fat grapes. Fat grapes. Okay, good, good. So does everyone remember what all we have learned? Yes? Remember? Okay, that's great. Now let us continue with the lesson. Is everybody on page number 35? 35. Yes. Okay. Ishan, unmute your device and read the next sentence. We have completed till the picnic baskets are full, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
The
read.
animals set off for the park. On the way,
Hmm?
they come through a street.
Hmm.
They see a log. They decide to cross the stream.
You're going a bit too fast. Try to read at a slow pace. Start from the beginning again. The animals.
The animals set off for the park.
Okay.
On the way,
Set off for the park. After that, did you notice the full stop?
yes,
What does the full stop tell us to do?
stop.
To stop reading. Yes, to stop the work that we are doing. If it is writing, if it is reading, we have to stop when we come across a full stop, right? The animals set off for the park. Set off. These are new words for you. These may be new words for you, right? Do you know the meaning of set off? The animals set off for the park. My dear students, let me tell you that the meaning of set off is started. To start on a journey. Where were they going? They were going for a picnic, right? So, they lived in the jungle. So, from which place will they set off or start for their journey? From which place will they start? Ishan, unmute. From, sorry?
Forest.
Yes, very good. The animals lived in the forest. So, they would start or set off for their journey from the forest. Look here. Look at the images. See, all of them are ready. See, everybody has taken their bags and the necessary things with them. See, one of them has a camera also to click pictures at the picnic spot, right? Everybody has packed their bags and all, and they are ready for their journey. This is how we get ready. We also get ready like this, right? We keep everything organized in a neat way in the bags, and we get ready before starting for the journey, right? Don't we do that? That is called started or set off. The animals set off for the park. The meaning of set off is started. Started. Okay, yeah, continuation.
On the way.
On the way.
On the way, they come to a tree. They see a log.
They see a log. Okay, good Ishan. Thank you. You are trying to read very well. Good boy. Thank you. Yeah. On the way. Now we all know that the animals set off or started from the forest. On the way. They have started from the forest and they are going to the picnic spot, right? They have started. Now they are moving. They have started. Now they have reached here. And when they reached at a little more further place from the forest, they came to or a stream. they came to a stream. On the way, they come to a stream. Where did they reach? They come to a stream. Look here. Did you see this body of water, this water body? Did you see? This place with water, flowing water, and there are some rocks in between. There is also a long piece of wood which is there across the stream, from one side to the other side of the stream. Did you notice the image? This body of water, or this water body, is called the stream. Stream, a small river. A stream is actually a small river. What is it? A small river is called a stream. A river will be a little more larger than the stream. A small river is called a stream. Clear? Understood? All of you understood? And what is this long piece of wood called? Yeah, they see a log. It is called a log. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. When the animals reach the stream, what do they see there? They see a log. L-O-G, log. This long piece of wood which is lying across the stream. Across means from one side of the stream to the other side. Did you notice the log is lying across the stream? Okay. What is this piece of wood called? Log. Log. From one side of the stream to its other side. Log. Okay. Is it clear to you all, these two sentences? Yes, give me a thumbs up those who have understood. Okay, good. Now let's move ahead. Dhananjay, unmute. Read. They reach a stream. They see a log.
Very.
No. Very. There is no very here. They see a log. After that, T-H-E-Y. They.
Decide to cross
Yes.
the right
Stream. Stream.
stream
Stream.
stream
By
by climb climbing
Very good.
on wheel or V-E-R over
Very
the long
good.
long
N is not there, my dear.
long
Log. Log.
long
Yes, log. Okay, very good. Have a look at this. Yeah, wonderful. Dhananjay, I'm happy to see that you're trying to break the words and read when you find it difficult. Good boy. Smart effect. Smart. Good. Okay. Did everybody notice this log? See, it is kept across something, right? From one side to the other side. And what are these animals doing? They are moving from one side of the log to the other side. Did you see? They are dancing and singing and moving over the log. Over. Do you remember the positional words under, over, on, which you have learnt in mathematics? Right? Over. To move over. Move over. To move from top of something is called to move over. And to move from below something is called under. Under. Over. Under. Okay. Now see. This is a tree. Does it look like a tree? It does, like? Yes, okay, thank you. Now this is a rainbow. Imagine. This is a rainbow. Now where is this rainbow? Is it under or over? Let me ask. Darshak, unmute. The rainbow. Tell me the position of the rainbow. Is it under or over? The rainbow. Is it under the tree or over the tree? The rainbow. Imagine that this is a rainbow. Is it under the tree or over the tree? Choose the correct word. Under means below something. Over means above something. Under. The rainbow is above or under the tree? Over. Over and above are one and the same. So decide and tell me, is it over or under? Over the tree, yes? Over the tree, yes. What about these stones? Are they over the tree or under the tree? Under the tree, right? Under the tree. The rainbow is over the tree and the stones are under the tree. Did you understand the positional words? Over and under. Everybody understood? Okay, good, very good. Thank you. So what did the animals decide to do? After walking for some time from the forest, the animals came across or reached a stream. They saw a log on the stream, across the stream, from one side to the other side. And what did they decide to do? Now they had to reach the picnic spot, right? So they decided to cross the stream. Cross the stream means to move from one side of the stream to its other side. To cross means to move from one side of something to its other side. Now how did the animals decide to cross the stream? By climbing over the log. How did the animals decide to cross the stream? Niveda, unmute. How did the animals decide to cross the stream? There are many new words in this lesson. Be very attentive. By climbing over the log. By climbing over the, yes. The animals decided to cross the stream. What is the meaning of cross? To move from one side to the other side of something. To move from one side to the other side of something is called to cross. To cross. We all sometimes while walking, we have to cross the road, right? To reach our home or to go to a particular shop, we have to cross the road. To cross means to move from one side of something to its other side. Did everybody understand the meaning of cross? Okay. Then the next word to be understood is over. Over. Over means above something. Above something. Okay. So how did the animals cross the stream? By climbing over the log. Over. See? Did you all see? They are walking on the log, and they are crossing the stream. Sorry. Did everybody understand? Okay, let's continue. Ayan, Unmute and read.
They decide
Speak louder, my dear.
let's climb
Hmm.
the log one after the other.
Hmm.
The fox
Says the fox. Says the fox. Okay. Now we all have understood that the animals decided to cross the stream by climbing over the log. Yes, climbing over the log. But just imagine if all the animals climb over the log together. Together, what would happen? Imagine a situation, all the animals have climbed over the log together at the same time. What would happen then? Who can tell me? What would happen if all the animals climbed over the log together? Yes, Aldrin, unmute. Tell me, what would happen? Unmute, Aldrin. What would happen?
rock
Sorry? Say again. What would happen, Aldrin? If all the animals climbed over the log together at the same time, what would happen?
the log broken.
The log will break. Yes, not broken. The log will break. Why? What is the reason?
Because all the animals going climb.
Because of the weight of all the animals together, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of them together will be more weight. The log will not be able to carry the weight of all the animals together, right? That is the reason there are chances that the log will break. Yes, so see how smart the animals are? Yes, very good, Aldrin. Well thought. Yeah, good, good. So, what do? They decide. One second. Aidin, Muhammad Aidin, unmute. Muhammad Aidin, unmute. Yeah, please read the sentence. Let us see what the animals decided to do.
The
Mm. I can't hear you.
rabbit
No, my dear. This one. The next one. Let's climb the log. Can you see the shared screen, Aidin?
the
Yeah, please read from here. Let apostrophe S is to be read as let's. Let's. Hmm? Climb. Climb. Climb.
the no
Let's climb the log. O-N-E. One. After. After.
after
Mm.
the
O-T-H-E-R. Other.
other side
S-A-Y-S. Says.
is the fox.
Says the fox. Yes. Why don't you try to read it one more time, Aiden? Come on, read it one more time. Let's C-L-I-M-B. Climb.
Let's climb the log.
The log. 1
One
after
after the
other.
other
Says.
says the fox.
Says the fox. Okay, good. So, in the earlier, thank you, I did. In the earlier sentence, yeah, welcome. We have understood that the animals decide to cross the stream by climbing over the log. As we all know that the fox is a very clever animal, fox thinks and then he decides to climb the log one after the other. What do you understand by one after the other? Look at these images. Then it will help you to understand better. See, first the cat, which is not a very big animal. A cat is not a very huge animal, right? You all know that. So its weight also will be less. So first the cat will climb over the log and cross the stream. Then the fox takes its turn and crosses the stream by climbing over the log. Then the squirrel also takes its turn to cross the stream. And finally the bird also tries to cross the stream. That is one after the other. First one animal crosses, then the next and then the next, and finally one by one all the animals cross the stream. Okay, how do they cross the stream? They cross the stream by climbing over the log one by one. How do they cross? By climbing over the log one by one. Do all of them climb over the log together? No, they don't. They climb over the log one by one, or one after the other. First one animal crosses, then the other animal crosses, likewise all after the other. Did everybody understand? See how smart the animals are. They are thinking what will happen next. They are thinking that beforehand and then taking the decision. Okay? Yeah, let us see what happened there. Sivad, unmute and read. Yes, Sivad.
The rabbits climb onto the log but slip and fall. They are quickly saved by the fox.
They are quickly saved by the fox. Okay. Very good, Sivad. You are trying to read very well. Thank you.
Animals.
That's it. Enough. We will first understand this and then we will move to the next sentence. So first the rabbits climb onto the log. Did you see? Where are the rabbits standing? They have climbed onto the log. They are standing on the log. Did you notice? But are they standing properly? No. Some are doing circus over here. Did you notice that? Did you notice? So what happened? When they were not standing properly, they slipped and fell down. What happened? The rabbits climbed onto the log, over the log, but they slipped and fell down. And who came to save them? They are very quickly saved by the fox. See, who saves the rabbits? The very clever animal amongst the group, the fox. He quickly saves all the rabbits from getting hurt. Quickly. What is the meaning of quickly? Quickly. Who can tell me the meaning of quickly? Raise your hands. Quickly. Those who can tell me the meaning of quickly, raise your hands. Let me give a chance to somebody who has not answered yet. Quickly, quickly. Haizam, unmute. What do you understand by quickly?
Good.
Sorry? Say again.
Good.
No. John Paul? Quickly means
Suddenly.
suddenly. No. Quickly and suddenly are two different words. Andrea, sit properly. Quickly and suddenly are two different words. Yes, Ishan, unmute. Quickly means,
Shortly.
sorry? Very fast, not fastly. Very fast. Very fast. Okay? Quickly means very fast. Who saved the rabbits quickly? The fox saved the rabbits quickly. Quickly means very fast. If he did not act fast, if the fox did not act fast, what would happen? The rabbits will fall into the stream and drown in the water, right? So my dear students, I hope all of you have understood the story till here. Have you? There are many new words. I am telling you this again and again. There are many new words in this lesson. If you are very attentive in the session, then only you will be able to understand their meanings and usage. Right? I hope all of you are able to understand. That is why I have brought so many pictures for you to understand them easily. Are you able to understand? Those who have understood, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Those who have understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Anybody has a doubt? Raise your hand. Yes, I'm happy to see lots of thumbs up. But if you have any doubts, you can get them cleared. Come on. Those who have any doubts, raise your hands. No doubts? Sure? Okay. Very good, very good. Now, we have some time remaining. So, I want one of you to tell me this story from the beginning till where we have stopped today. Who is ready to narrate? Who is ready to narrate? Yes, okay, Darsh. Harriet, wait, please. Harriet, wait. I want you to speak in your own words. Don't read from the book. That is why I use the word narrate.
Man, the animal
Okay. One second, Darsh. Darsh, unmute your device. Unmute. Now speak.
One day, the animal decided to go to a picnic.
Okay.
It's a nice weather.
Hmm.
It's open.
Then?
Not to the picnic.
Hmm.
The rabbit brought juicy carrots.
Okay. Fat grapes. Okay. Then? They set off or started for the picnic. Then? On the way?
Saw a stream.
A stream, okay.
There was on
A log.
a log.
A log on the stream, okay. Mm.
The animals go one by one.
Decided to cross the log. How? Mm.
One by one.
Yes, okay.
There was this
Mm. Mm. Mm.
and cat was on the log.
Okay.
Then fox crossed the log.
Who saved the rabbits?
Fox
The fox saved the rabbits. How? Quickly. Quickly. What is the meaning of quickly? Very fast. Very fast. Okay, good. Darsh, you have tried to narrate the story quite well. Good. The same way, all the other students also, if you are able to understand, then only you will be able to narrate the story in your own words, right? Okay. I request each one of you to read all the sentences from the beginning to the place where we have stopped. That is, they are quickly saved by the fox. 5 times you must read each word loudly and clearly. Alright? Now we will meet in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye.